Up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you how you can move money from Chippercash to any exchange, and in this case I'm going to be using OKX. So what you need to first do when you reach like in Chippercash, you first have to convert your money into US dollars. So click there, then come and click on convert, and I'm going to convert around 70,000. So that's what I'm willing to convert, and this is what I'll be getting in dollars. So I'm going to click on next, and they will show me a screen to confirm. Then click on confirm. I'll put in my fingerprint, process, and it's done. I've converted 70,000, which is equating to $18.75, and then it will be added here. So the next step is I'm going to click here on transfer. Are you seeing where there is this transfer? Then scroll down and you'll see something like send digital dollars. So click there, and then I'm going to send USDT. I'm going to click on USDT, and I'm going to select the Polygon network. So I'm going to click on Polygon. Now let us go to OKX and get the USDT address on the Polygon network. So I'm going to click here on deposit crypto. Then you can search up here USDT, which is this, and then the network, let us scroll down and look for Polygon, which is this. So click on Polygon, and this is the address that I'm going to copy. So click on that copy button. Then I forgot to turn on the camera. All right, hope you're seeing me. So we are going to click on that copy button. Then let us go back to Chippercash, put in my fingerprint, then just tap to paste. Remember, we have copied the address from OKX. Now we are going to tap there, and the address that we copied from OKX will be pasted. And also make sure you read this. Make sure the address that you're putting in here, it is related to the Polygon blockchain. So click on next. And now we can't send the entire amount. Chippercash takes $1 from the money. So if I want to send like the money that I'm going to be sending is 17, because Chippercash takes $1 as the charge. You can't put in 18. So if you try putting in 18, so click on send, you'll see something like this. So we are like trying to send $19. So Chippercash is adding the other extra dollar which it charges. So cancel. We need to put 17, and this should go through. That's it. As you can see, the network fee, it's not really a network fee, but this is what Chippercash is charging, because the Polygon network is cheap, but Chippercash charges $1 from your transaction. So click on confirm. Then I'll put in my fingerprint, and it has been sent. So I have to go on OKX, wait for this to be confirmed. Just click on done, and it takes around 10 minutes. So remember, we first convert the money. So I'm in Uganda, so I convert the Ugandan shillings into dollars. Then from dollars, I send the digital dollars to any crypto exchange, so long as they support that network. So I'm going to pause, go on, let us head over to OKX. You can click here to check your incoming transactions. But as I said, Chippercash takes some time to send out like the transactions, and then we will check in this area to see if the transaction has gone through. I'm going to pause and come back when it's done. So I have received the notification here. Let us see. Yes, we had the confession. So this is the transaction here. They are saying I have some incoming transaction, so the deposit is processing. We just need to wait for it. That was so fast because at times Chippercash takes a lot of time to send out fees. Alright, I guess also Chippercash is saying the withdrawal was successful, so they processed it. Then we need to wait for it on OKX. So scroll down, and as you can see on OKX, I have one deposit processing, and since it's on the Polygon blockchain, it goes through 300 like confirmations, but it's kind of fast, so it goes through all those confirmations to confirm the money that it's on your wallet. I'm going to pause until it's done and it's displaying here in my wallet. Alright, so after the confirmations, the money has been fully deposited into my OKX account. As you can see, the $7 have been received successfully. So that's how you send money from Chippercash to OKX. As you can see here, we sent out this, and they charged us $1 to do that transaction, so they were $18, and this is what we received, $17. So from OKX you can buy, since we are farming airdrops, you can buy it on, send to your wallet, complete those transactions, and you'll be good to go. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.